Did it ever happen to you that all of a sudden your relationship with someone just deteriorated very quickly and the other person wanted to leave? A person worked for you for many, many years and you tried to correct him on something and he used that in order to say, oh, you are really, really bad, I cannot live with you, I cannot work with you. He worked with you for 8 years, everything was okay, but all of a sudden, no. Or you are married for 30 years and one day he says or she says, oh, you are so bad, I cannot live with you, I have to leave you. I cannot reconcile my differences with you. So the only reason it happened is the person that left actually did something against you. Something really bad against you. And it doesn't mean that he killed you or he tried to kill you or he stole from you, although in one of the cases it is. But it doesn't mean that that's what happened, but it means that in his viewpoint he did something very bad against you. It doesn't have to be that from your viewpoint it's bad. Now, the moment that the person does something really bad against you, because the person is so good, he feels that if he will stay, he will damage you more, so he has to leave. How can he leave? This is me and him, and he's done something really, really, really bad against me. Now he has to leave. He cannot just live like that. So what's happening is all of a sudden he starts to find what's wrong with me, what's wrong with me, what's wrong with me, what's wrong with me. And when I'm wrong enough, it's justified enough for him to leave. Now, this thing that he finds that what's wrong with me is just doesn't have to be even factual. It's just nonsense. I have this guy that worked with me for, 8 years. He did something really bad. I discovered it, and all of a sudden, in one day, he decided that I'm impossible to work with. Just like that, yes? For 8 years, no problem, amazing, wonderful. The moment that he committed this sin against me, all of a sudden, he cannot work with me for one day. He has to leave today. So when someone wants to leave you, when someone needs to feel the urge to disconnect from you, don't be discouraged. Just know he did something against you. And if you want to help him, that's now up to you. If you want to help him, you sit with him and find out what he did. And if you don't want to help him, you just let him go. And I can tell you that I had a person that worked for me, and he was getting paid, but he didn't actually do what he said that he was doing. He was cheating me. And the disasters that happened in his life are just unbelievable. It's not because I wanted for it to happen, but the disasters are really unbelievable. His wife died, and he had an accident that left him basically paralyzed. 2 different accidents, yes. And I have no doubt that he brought it on himself because he was doing something really bad against someone with good intention. So for you, if you do something bad, handle it. Handle it somehow. Stop it, take responsibility, make up the damage, fix it somehow. Somehow fix it, because it will hurt your life. It might not hurt this part of your life, but this part, but you will find a way to stop yourself. You'll get sick, or you'll have an accident, or some bad luck will happen to you. When someone has bad luck, it's because of what he did. I know it's not a popular viewpoint, but it's true. So that's the first thing. So when you do something bad, you need to know that something bad will happen to you. But it's not actually will happen to you. You will bring about something bad to you. It's not that there is karma and it's coming back. You destroying yourself because you're so good and you're trying not to hurt other people. That's number one. And number two, when you see someone else doing something bad, don't be discouraged. Decide if you want to help them and save their life, or if you don't want. It's still your choice. You don't have to help. You choose to help. Meir Ezra, piece of truth for you.